We're back. We've got a very special edition of Today Food because our good friend Samah Dada is here. Do you remember when Samah worked here? Yes. And then she made it big. Anyway, she's the author of Dada Eats. Love to cook it. Also, you guys know her from her streaming channel, Today All Day. She's got a show. It's called How to Eat Plants. It premieres today.
Today's the day.
Wait, should we show a sneak peek?
Yeah, let's show
it.
How to eat plants. I'm Samah Dada. I'm a cookbook author and recipe developer in the plant-based food scene, which is becoming more innovative every day.
Ready? Cheers.
I'm on a mission to see how startups, restaurants, and chefs are changing the way we see and eat plants.
It's the future of food.
Good job.
Am I hired?
Really good hired.
This is crazy. Yeah. It's like the best floral arrangement I've ever seen in my life.
Okay, here's the funny thing about Samah. Samah was putting chickpeas and brownies before everyone else was. Now everybody's doing it. You're season 3 of your show, and you actually kind of went outside the kitchen. You were exploring.
Yeah, Hoda, this was literally my dream. You guys have followed me for so many years, and I love you guys so much. And this season, I get to go outside of the kitchen. We explore really cool, innovative chefs, restaurants, companies that are changing the plant-based world, and it's just so cool to be able to see.
Were you surprised by some of the stuff you learned, like what they're using instead of meat?
I was shocked.
Yeah.
I was literally shocked. Actually, speaking of being surprised, I went to this factory in Boulder, Colorado. They are making meat out of mushroom roots. And I actually brought some. I got an exclusive first look inside their factory. But you guys should get an exclusive first taste.
Oh, these are mushrooms?
They're making, so you have the crispy chicken cutlet, and I want you to taste it.
Wait, the cutlet's
What's it made of?
It's made from mushrooms?
It's made from mushroom.
Try your chicken.
No.
It's called meaty.
I just said to Dylan this.
It tastes like chicken.
This is good.
Does it
Isn't
really?
it crazy?
Yeah, taste it.
I don't have it. But is it really yummy? Is it crunchy?
Yeah.
Wait,
It
this
actually
chicken is made out of mushrooms?
Mushroom root. So these kinds of things, it's called meaty. It's amazing.
shocking.
And I was so shocked by so many of the things in this show. And you guys know I love to make really healthy recipes, easy, minimal ingredients. So these kinds of things really shocked me.
Let's get to the tacos because what is the for the tacos? What is the main ingredient you're going to use since you're not going to use ground beef?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms too.
So,
Okay, let's get started.
First episode of the show is all about mushrooms. I love mushrooms because they're a really nice, hearty, meaty, delicious meat replacement. So we've got our olive oil in here. By the way, this is really easy to make. I love making this for lunch, dinner. Yeah, you can actually. I'm going to put you to work.
Okay, so this is just diced.
Just diced onions. We've got some olive oil. Then we're going to go in with some garlic once that gets nice and golden brown. You guys follow me on Instagram. You know I'm a spice girl. I love my spice.
How cute are you?
So I've got a little, Dada taco seasoning vibe over here. We'll add these in there. We've got some cayenne. We've got some garlic powder, cumin, coriander. Yeah, perfect. Hoda, you're great at this. Once this cooks down, we're going to add some salt and pepper. We want those spices to be nice.
A lot of spice, huh?
I love spice, Hoda. I'm not afraid of some spice. And look, mushrooms are really nice and absorbent of a lot of flavor. So that's why it's nice to add some spice. It really gets all that flavor in there.
Okay, so you cooked it way
down.
They're
brown. They're gorgeous. Now, here's how we achieve that meaty vibe, right? We're just going to cut our mushrooms. We're going to dice them really, really finely, kind of to achieve this ground meat texture.
Now, is this cooked or not? Is this cooked yet?
No, these are not cooked. They're just diced really finely. So we're going to add those in there.
What kind of mushrooms are those? I missed that.
Portobello mushrooms.
Oh, really?
So those are really nice and meaty.
They taste like steak anyway.
Yeah, so they've got that meady texture. What do you guys think? Do you like it?
I like it. It has a nice spice to it.
Yeah, it's a bit spicy.
Yeah,
maybe too early for spice.
No, I like it. Gives a little zing.
How long do you cook this entire mixture together?
You want this to be really nice and golden brown, so 20 to 30 minutes. You can just leave it. Yeah, you want to keep it nice and golden, and then you can add your favorite accoutrements. You can add some avocado, some lime, some lettuce, jalapeno. All these. Yeah.
Take a taste. This a go.
And also
try that chicken thing. Does she have?
I don't have the chicken.
Here, you want to bite it?
Yes, I do. Do you want to
try it?
I'm going to
die.
What else are they making out of the mushrooms there besides the...
Steak, chicken. They've got some new products in development.
All mushrooms?
Yeah, all from mushroom roots.
That cannot be.
Crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
So
like a chicken nugget.
No, there's no.
This is what you can expect on the show.
Wow.
Oh my wild stuff.
Amazing.
What kind of mushroom is that?
It's mushroom root. It's like the root. It's called mycelium. It's like the root of the mushroom.
Okay. I love it. And let me try the taco.
This is like a full tasting
I love this
thing.
segment.
This is so fun. Sam, are you excited to be like out on the road?
I'm so excited. It was such a dream to be able to actually see what other people are doing in this space. I've been doing this for so long, so it's just cool to explore and highlight really awesome innovators in the plant-based
And people really
world.
are trying to go plant-based at least a couple times a week.
Yeah, exactly. It's just an easy swap, you know?
Samah, you're off and running. Congratulations on season 3.
Thank you so
to
much.
find Samah's recipe, you can go to today.com/food. Catch the premiere of How to Eat Plants on our streaming channel today all day. Coming up, that's at 11 a.m. Thank you, Samah.
Thank you, Samah.
Thanks.